In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage cross-team collaboration in Goodday. When you're working with multiple teams, it's really important that everyone understands how their work connects. In Goodday, one of the best ways to manage this is by using task dependencies. Think of dependencies as clear links between tasks that say, this task needs that one to be done first. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set those up so different teams can stay aligned and avoid unnecessary delays. Let's start inside Goodday with a task you're already working on. Open the project or workspace where your teams collaborate, and then select a specific task that either relies on another team's work or that other teams are waiting on. This might be something like a development task that depends on design, or a marketing task that depends on product updates. The key is to choose the task that you want to connect to others. Once you have that task open on your screen, look towards the top area of the task window. You'll see a small plus sign above the main details. This plus sign is where you add extra relationships or links to the task. Click on that plus sign to reveal additional options. This is a useful spot to remember, because you'll often come back here whenever you need to extend the information around a task. After clicking the plus sign, a menu will appear with different types of items you can add. From this menu, select the option labeled Dependency. This is what tells Goodday that this task is related to another one in a way that affects timing or order. By choosing Dependency, you're starting the process of formally defining how work from different teams connects. When you click Dependency, Goodday will guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts step by step. Typically, you'll be asked to select which other task this one depends on, or which task depends on the one you're viewing. Take a moment here to choose the correct task and double check that you're setting the relationship in the right direction, whether this task is blocking another or waiting on another. As you go through the prompts, confirm your selections and save the dependency. Once it's set, your teams will be able to see these links directly in Goodday, helping everyone understand what needs to be completed first and who is responsible. Over time, consistently setting dependencies like this makes cross-team collaboration smoother, more transparent, and much easier to manage.